Hi, I am Sandeep Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came up with a new thing which is called Adobe Express. So you have to just type on Google Adobe Express. You will get this link adobe.com/express/. You have to visit this particular website and you have to go on sign up. As you will click on sign up, multiple options will be coming, like you can log in with your Gmail account, you can log in with your Facebook account, you can continue with Apple account. If let's say you are coming from some university colleges, you can select from here. So I have selected my school account, that is here. So I will just continue with this and it will log into my page. So I will be just telling you few details about Adobe Express, what you can do over here. So basically this is a platform which is made for the designers and directly from Adobe, which is a trusted one. So here you can see the dashboard. As you will log in, this particular dashboard will be opening where you can find a lot of things. Now let's scroll it down. You will see here all the templates which are available. Let's say if you want to have something, remove background, resize image, convert to GIF, convert to MP4, if you want to create some flyer, brochure, there are various templates which you can use. So let's explore this particular website. So first of all, we'll go to this plus icon. As we'll click on this particular plus icon, then we can find a lot of options are available. So what you want to do, generally a designer need to work on resize image or remove background or convert to JPEG or PNG, crop image, convert to SVG, which is related to somewhere 3D. Then after that you have PDF converter, convert from PDF. So all these options are here. And then let's say if you want to work on your portfolio, a portfolio option is also here where you can create your own portfolio. If you want to create some web page, if you want to create some banner, a lot of things can be done. So this is all free of cost, without any charges. So I will ask you guys to explore this particular website for your purpose as per your requirement. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe, like, comment. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you so much.